So today we're discussing low libido or reduced sexual desire, which can affect both men and women. It is not unusual for a person's interest in intercourse to fluctuate over different periods of their life due to hormonal changes in age, stress. I have to ask this question because a lot of people say that when a woman reaches menopause,
yes,
she's no longer, the desire is no longer there. Is that true? And what can the woman do to sustain it? And is it possible, that's one question.
Yeah.
And is it possible for a man to, that's not a question first. Let me construct the second question.
Okay. You see, people that have reached libido, like I already explained, the menopause, you know, it will be reduced, but not that it is not there.
Okay.
You understand? It's like having fresh apples. It's an apple, but putting it in the sun for some time, become dehydrated. You know, when you're hydrated, it means that the texture, everything will not be as fresh as new. But if I should take that apple in the sun and put it in water, it becomes hydrated again. No,
that's what's happening to YK.
Good. We are talking about...
YK is being hydrated.
Yes. We are talking about, is that to do with hormones and nerves. So if I can do something that can excite you, I ask some men, do you know the sensitive spot of your wife?
Some don't know.
Many don't know.
Where you know you will touch, it will trigger her. If I've been married for 10 years and you don't know the area you can touch to trigger her, it's a who or hala. Even the girl can be 35 years and so suffering from low libido. You get it? We must know each other in that level. So I might know an area which I should press. Your mind or to trigger some things. You know?
How would a man know? There's no book.
How won't you know?
You study the body.
You see, yours is touch. I've mentioned some areas, you know, that if you take about 70% of women, it's either, you know, like this, the tip of these oranges, you know?
Okay.
Tip of these oranges.
Yes.
Okay. You can go through the dorsal ventral, you know, the back, this side. So we have it there, you know. Some also might have it during lip to lip.
Yeah.
You know, kissing and all that, you know. Some might even have it, you know, when you touch, there are something vibrating.
Enough.
Are you together?
Okay,
so are you together? So the man should know to put a trigger so that the woman libido, you get me now.
We get you, doctor.
YK understands you.
Another question I want to ask, because we keep seeing this narrative every time that men have to have intercourse like 20-something times for them not to have prostate cancer and things like that. So does that
true?
Yes, is that true? The amount of time you have, does that affect the swollen prostate or not?
Yeah, that is true. Let me give you the biochemistry of that. You know, what is the prostate? Prostate is a gland.
You don't hear?
Something a gland means something that squeezes water and brings it out.
Okay.
Now, our sperm is a cell. It cannot walk or jump. I mean, when male, female meets, they must swim. The prostate gland is the one that produces the swimming pool. And the sperm cell can swim from male to female. Fertilization takes place. Now, assume that I'm a prostate gland. I produce about 1 barrel, 2 barrels of my
like Dangote.
And you are not using it.
Okay.
It becomes chemical unstable. It's like putting water in a barrel. With time, you know, there are some growth and slippery stuff inside. Why? Because of chemical instability. Now, but if I'm producing water and you are using it, it means that we go together. Are we together? Now, that chemical instability, because we not, you know, performing, is the one that causes the prostate to enlarge. You know, because chemical in the water that's being produced. Average in the whole world, couples 30 to 40. It is twice, maximum 3 times a week.
Wow.
Now, once we age 40 to 50, it comes once a week.
Okay.
Once you hit 50 to 60, 1 in 2 is pension, 1 in 3 months. This guy has been producing for the past 2 weeks, has not been used. Imagine.
No, we have to do it.
You understand? That's why the advice is that,
so,
you know.
Sorry.
Yes.
What if he's 70 and he's producing and he's not using, but he doesn't even have the urge, he doesn't have the libido, can it still affect him? Because obviously when a man gets older,
his wife may have died or something.
That is why prostate enlargement, BPH, is for 50 years and above. Now it has dropped to 40 years and even 35. You understand? That is why I'm yet to see a guy 25 years that has prostate enlargement. Even the person is cursed, it can't happen.
Okay, now let's go.
That's why we are saying that at least once, I mean, let the man, you know, give the man chance. The more we are doing the man chance, the higher we are even, you know, reducing the risk of the person developing.
Okay, when are you going back to Ghana?
No, 5 times a week.
When are you going back to Ghana? Are you going back? When are you guys going back to Ghana? We need a part 2 of this.
Yes. Okay. I think it's going to be on the 12th.
Okay, so we need to bring you back. Yeah. Because I think that there's so many questions. Because there are some men that help themselves.
Yes.
Privately.
Yeah.
Because they don't have, either because they don't have a woman or because they're having issues. How does that, is that healthy?
No, unhealthy. In a consulting room in Ghana, my hospital, people that have practiced that one, women's hands are soft, men, our hands is hard. Once you rub it on the area, it turns out the genital veins. It's like water hose going and go and step inside. And those people have problem with erection. Some even have erectile dysfunction. It's different from premature ejaculation. They are two different things. Because the veins that the blood should pass through has been torn out because of your own something that you did back room. You understand? So it's better that you go pray God to give you a woman, marry her, to help you arrest your case.
So what of those there are some pastors that it's as if they don't do anything because they always just pray to your God. No, that is bad. No, so the pastor woman is Mother Mary. Pastor father is Father Abraham. They just don't do anything. No, we don't do.
You see, that's why you are not even fulfilling scripture. Because in your own Bible, it is written, the man shall satisfy the woman sexually, and likewise the woman. The scripture didn't use me. He said you shall.
Is it in the Bible?
Yes. New Testament. I'm trying to remember.
No, Songs of Solomon.
No.
New Testament.
No, that's your breast. Your wife's
breast one is
no, the breast one is there. The man shall satisfy the woman sexually, and likewise the woman. The Bible didn't use the word may. It says shall. Shall means a law. Yeah. I was watching you when you were talking about national ID and all those things. It's a law. And so, why is the Bible saying that? Because there is something a man needs from a woman to have this brain working gently.
Functioning perfectly to make money.
So if the woman is not getting it, what should she do? She should divorce him. The woman is not getting it at all. What happens?
Oh, but it's, even in I don't know, in Ghana, if you divorce your man for 6 months, you can dissolve the marriage.
If you are not fulfilling your conjugal rights,
it's a law.
In Islam, I think it's 3 months. You can go.
Yes, that is a background moment.
You see, and so why is that so? At the end of that kind of combination, it's a hormone called oxytocin released from the brain that provides you a sense of calmness, contentment. It can make like you and
like that
without any other problem. Then you are flying on the moon, sing a song. I'm flying on the moon, flying on the moon, flying on the moon. It helps you forget all those wahala. And that is, God actually provided this environment so that for we the men and the women, as adults, because why? He knows that there's going to be stress.
Yes!
School fees and all those things.
The money to calm down.
To calm down.
To make money.
To make money.
You see, in marriage, marriage is like ladder, Ladder, you have one leg here, one leg here. The bridges that solidify the ladder is called, there's something. You saw queen. So the more couples have them, the higher the tendency that their marriage can last for about 50 years, 90 years.
Think it into existence.
Hey!
The lesser this one.
Okay, your time has come. We have to go.
Yes.
We'll bring, today is Tuesday.
Yes.
We got book us next week, Tuesday.
Yeah.
Our viewers, if you have enjoyed this conversation, we'll bring him back.
Yes, sir.
And we'll break it down because there are lots of people that want to hear this conversation. But we have to show them. So 3rd of December, keep it the date with us next week, Tuesday.
Okay, thank you very much.
That's all we can take on today's show. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Bye, Kay. Are you okay?